Hello, my name is Donaro Medina, owner and general manager of Medina's Carrier.
My name is Tuan Pham, and I'm the operations manager at Medina's Carrier.
Medina's Carrier is the recipient award of the 2022 SRC Disability Employment and Inclusion Entrepreneur of the Year.
At Medina's Carrier, we are pleased, humble, and deeply honored to receive this award on behalf of our company. To be recognized by SRC in this competitive industry is very important, and to have a video made about us is very special. It is very humbling to receive this in the presence of so many leaders of your respective profession. I would like to extend this recognition to our co-workers, to our professional drivers who have been an enduring inspiration to us to be in the forefront of this industry.
We started this journey in 2017 without knowing what we were getting into. But the support of Nebraska VR has been very beneficial with the business planning and their dedicated staff that always support us. Thanks to you for those support our nomination, and of course, thanks to our extended family at Medina's Carrier.
This industry is full of surprises and hard work, but the health conditions that we're going through has also helped us rethink the way we do business to become more customer service oriented.
I'm sure that we'll continue going through hard situations, but at the end, we will be successful.